Hey everybody, Lou Santiago for Garage Insider TV. Now, today we're going to do something a little bit differently. Normally you see me messing with stuff with 4 wheels, even 10 wheels, 8 wheels, 18 wheels, it doesn't matter. There's all kinds of wacky stuff, but today we're going to do a Harley. So this is what we've got. Air ride on the rear of a Harley. This is your air compressor, this is your switch, your gauge, all your fittings are brass and they're DOT approved. This is your external air filter. That way the air compressor gets nice clean air. You can mount it on a hose if you'd like, just so you have it, or you can mount it on a compressor. Bracketry, all the necessary connections, plus your air shock and your airline. The airline is also DOT approved. That's really important. In case something happens, it's legal. You're okay. Now, the reason for doing this is because who wants to have air ride on their bike? Do you need it? Not really, but it's really cool. There's definitely cool factor involved in this. Now while we're doing this install, you got to remember something. There's going to be some noise, but that's okay because I'm not going to disrupt these guys from their workflow. So bear with it, deal with it, and we'll make this happen. Come on, let's check out the bike.